It's very, very snowy today, so we are driving carefully, but let's just hope it's open. That's another thing that I don't really know. It says temporarily open on Google, but I don't know. You guys ready for this? I'm pretty sure every single one of you, or most of you, have been to this place, but if you haven't, this is a place to check out in the summer. It doesn't matter when you go, but this place is absolutely beautiful, and you should definitely check it out. Highly recommend it. Not too far from the city either. Sorry guys, I had to change my seat from there to here just because, you know, like I wasn't getting my face clear over there, so I changed over here. How are you guys doing? This is absolutely amazing. For everyone who doesn't know me, my name is Sandeep Singh. I am a photographer from Winnipeg, Manitoba. And for the people who don't know what Manitoba is, it's a province in Canada. I'm just joking. But yeah, I'm trying to get into more vlogs. So this is, I don't know if I want to number my vlogs, but this is vlog number 1, if it matters. Oak Hammock Marsh Interpretive Center. I thought I'll come here and get some pictures of the snowboarders. It's currently closed, but this is absolutely amazing. It's so quiet. There's absolutely no one here. I just prepared myself a little tea in the Hike Manitoba cup that I was gifted by my friend. Yeah, they'll warm up a little bit with this hot tea and then continue on. Also, if there is a place that you guys want me to visit after this in Manitoba, because there isn't a lot of people doing this, you know, people need to see how beautiful Manitoba is. But I don't understand why people don't do it. People do a lot of photography in Winnipeg, Manitoba. I know that because I have a lot of photography friends. There's a lot of people that do videography, but it's mainly weddings and locations, like people going to Cuba and stuff, making videos of that. Understandable, because you're trying to sell your video services. But come on, man, throw in a video of 2 over here in Manitoba. Hey guys, so I've made it back to the car now. I turned it on because I was feeling a little cold. So yeah, that was Oak Hammock Marsh. If you guys are in Winnipeg and Manitoba, if you've never been here before, I highly recommend it. I would still like to say that it's a little bit better in the summer and fall time. If you would like to see content like this in the future, please like, comment, and subscribe. If there is a place specifically that you want me to check out in Manitoba, please comment it below. I really appreciate it. This is a journey, and I'll see you next time.